Hi guys, welcome to today's video. I didn't actually do an intro for this video, so here we're going to be jumping right into it at Atwell Farm. Today, back there, recorded videos there in the past, but here we are back at their new reptile bit. We've got the spider enclosure, very big for a spider, and I want to say shout out to whoever is texting me on TikTok. That's why if you don't want to text me, then just go onto TikTok and you can. I won't be able to reply all the time, so I'm very busy, but I will try the best as I can. Got some other reptiles here, and we're moving on to massive stick insects or in these trees and everything like that. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you want to support, I'll definitely carry on doing videos like this. We're only 150 videos in, still got more to go, more merch to post. So, and if you watch my Instagram and TikTok, then you'll see all of the merch what I'm getting coming out soon, what will be for sale. So yeah, really excited for everything what's going to be happening. Hopefully you enjoy the videos. So far everyone is supposed to enjoying it, so yeah, I want to try and make sure everyone enjoys them and has the best time watching them. So here we've got a nice tortoise, everything like that. Then we've got some more rabbits right here. There's massive rabbit enclosures here as well, so yeah, that's good. There's a lot of rabbits in this enclosure right here. Now next up we've got some chickens here, some very big chickens, gotta say. So yeah, and as well a little bit of updating with the merch. We've got a lot. I'm planning joggers, hoodies, hats, everything like that. Got all colours. I'll actually read you out the colours what we've got for the fonts. We've got black, we've got purple, we've got pink, we've got brown, we've got blue, we've got yellow, we've got green, we've got pink. So all of them colours will be selling soon with the t-shirts, the hoodies, the joggers, and it will take 2 to 3 days for us to make it, and then 2 to 3 days to ship it out to you. You have to be in the UK to be able to get them, and the shipping should cost about £2 something. And then we've got white, blue, green, yellow, all of them colours for the t-shirt. The hats, we've got different colours as well, a couple of them. We've got zip up hoodies, then we've got them in lots of different colours as well, blues, greens, and all of them stuff. So yeah, that's what we have. We have a lot of colours, and also you can see which ones we have on Instagram and TikTok. So here's me feeding some goats, hand feed right here, and I've got someone to hold the camera for me. And then here's me feeding a pygmy goat as well. It's really nice to get shots like this and to be able to have someone there to record it for me. And then next we've got some poisonous dart frogs, I think, off the top of my head. Just some little frogs right here. Got tons of them all around here. Yeah, here we go. So yeah, these is the frog enclosure right here with all the poisonous dart frogs. And then we're moving on to the rabbits. A lot of rabbits in here. It's the same shot as a lady walking around to collect all the bowls and stuff. And there's a lot of places for these rabbits to climb up in, see them moving about and stuff. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed.